Bob Barbara of Hobby Laser Products was at the Plant City Train Show this weekend, October 14th. We got to see him there and all his bridges on display. He has quite a few new bridges in both HO and N scale, and I'm going to show you what I took while I was there. And in the future, I'll be doing a live interview with him, so keep an eye out for that. So here's what we saw there this past Saturday. So enjoy. Okay, here's the bridges. All right. Okay. That's an N scale one right there. Oh my goodness, that's a nice one. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Howdy.
Good to see you. Bob does HO and N scale bridges in kit form. He does custom bridges your design. Bridge components available separately. Custom bridge designs available. Custom scales can be produced. And also he has a website, www.hobbylaserproducts.com, and I'll put it in the description. So let's continue watching this right now. What's this one right here?
Hellgate. This is the Hellgate.
Yeah.
And this is the Bahia Honda Bridge, and then behind that is the Viaduct des Footige in France.
Oh, wow.
That's brand new.
Oh,
Then I
boy.
have this one. I just completed this one.
All right. Look at
You see,
that.
it's all the catwalks internally on this. This is N scale.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
double track. Now also you can get it in single track.
Yeah. How much you sell that for?
$99.
$99, that's it?
Show special.
Show special.
Yep.
Oh my
If you
goodness.
order show, I'll have it made up to you and sent out to you.
All right.
But it's got a lot of detail work on it too. It also has, you know, the catenaries.
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing. I do HO.
I got to get on your show, man.
Oh boy, look at that. Oh, this is amazing work. How long did it take you to do this one right here?
You're not going to believe it. Okay, you're going to think I'm bullshitting you.
Okay.
30 days from the
30
time
days.
I got the engineering drawings to the time I finished it.
Oh wow.
Now, I worked on it every day.
Every
Did
day.
did all the CAD,
Every
CAD
day.
design work. I had it done in a week.
Yeah. Oh wow. That's amazing.
But it's very accurate. The outline was taken
Yeah.
right from the drawings. So I made sure all the curves are right, and everything else was. I mean, if you look even at the bottom, all the girders are all scaled
yeah.
underneath them. See them?
Oh wow. Let me get in there. Yeah. You can see that. Oh my goodness. That's amazing work.
I got your last interview on my website now.
Oh, okay.
What we did.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
You got a website up now?
Yeah, I finally got it.
Oh,
going.
good. All right.
Yeah, I had to change all my documentation, so I got it on there now.
Oh, okay.
You can get
All
on
right.
it.
Rick's Bridge. I'm showing Rick's Bridge.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
what,
yeah.
What's this one right here?
Yeah, I did a layout for a guy,
Yeah.
20 feet long.
Yeah.
I guess if I can dig up a picture of it. It's all elevated, an
Yeah.
elevated system. This is the Garabit Bridge in France. It was designed by Gustav Eiffel, the guy who built the Eiffel Tower
Oh, really?
in the 1800s.
Oh, wow.
Yep. It's got a double tapered girders. If you look at the bottom, it's very wide.
Oh,
at the
yeah,
bottom,
it's wide,
And it tapers
yeah.
in all the way out the front. And then the piers themselves, they have a center post in the middle, and it has a. If you look real carefully, you'll see there's a ladders that wrap around it,
Oh, really?
so the guy can climb up in
Oh,
there.
wow. And what's this one right here?
This one here is the Monaca Beaver Bridge in Pittsburgh.
Oh, really?
It's a double track.
Okay.
It comes in, is built in 10 segments. The piers are all scale looking.
I should recognize that. I'm from Pittsburgh.
Are you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's that's the same color of the bridge.
Yeah.
But it's nice if you use this, if you spray paint them.
Yeah.
You could put a coat of another coat of dark brown.
Yeah, yeah.
What I would do is I'd get like an orange and just mist it over.
Oh, yeah,
It gives you
yeah.
a rust look to it.
Yeah, yeah.
You could weather it and it'll look really nice.
Now you had this one at the other show, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I recognize
Some of the
that one.
guys don't even want to put anything on it. They like how it looks.
Oh, yeah,
'cause
yeah.
It has a rustic look to it.
Right.
Dark makes it look like it's weathered and stuff like that.
But this one, this one looks great, like it is.
Yeah. If I was going to put it in my layout, I'd leave it just like
Yeah.
that.
If I had the room, I'd have this on my layout.
Sweet.
Let me walk down here. Okay.
Now these bridges are from Switzerland, and the ones in the back with the catenaries on them.
All
Lots
right.
of detail on them. You got all the internal catwalks in there too. If you can get
Oh, yeah.
below it, you can see them.
Okay. That's amazing.
And I think you probably saw that one before. So
Yeah.
that's the HO scale of this one.
All right. Man, that's big for HO scale. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness.
It's only half of it.
That's only half of it.
That's
I
only.
ran out of tables.
Okay, this one right here is the HO scale version of this
this.
one. Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah, this one's N.
That's the N scale version. How long is that? That's about 8 foot?
Yeah, just about 8 feet.
Oh my goodness. All right. So that would be 16 foot in HO scale.
Yeah.
My goodness. That's longer than my layout.
Also, I do these two. I built this for this guy. He has this thing that goes back and forth. And I did these two. We do these billboards. I build these billboards.
All
for
right.
him.
How much you charge for the billboards?
This gentleman here would know. I don't know exactly.
Okay.
I think how much are your billboards? It's what I want to know.
$20? Okay. All right.
He also has a one that's lighted version.
Okay. So $4.99 for the one section of
Yeah.
this one.
No, that's for both
For
sections.
both sections. Okay.
Again, you get a kit. You got to put
Okay.
it together.
All righty. You got to put it together. So
Yeah.
16 foot in HO scale.
Yeah. Now I have all the build instructions down. So I have a book that I make up, and it pretty much lays out everything step by step how to put things together.
All
They're
right.
really not that hard. Okay, this is like about 4 or 5 sections. The key is to keep them square.
Yeah.
I tape everything together first. Okay, make sure everything is perfectly square.
Yeah.
And then I might work on the top and glue in the cross members. And like I said, keep it with a jig and make sure everything's square.
Yeah.
That's a real key, the jig.
Yeah.
So I make the jigs and I include them in the kits. So that way the guys, don't go crazy trying to hold everything together.
Yeah. I got to get a close up of this. Keep an eye out for the live interview with Bob Barbara in the future. We'll be having it up shortly. So until the next time, we'll see ya and have fun with whatever you're doing.